that lahat niya, halos lahat ng path na tinahak niya, sinundan ko lang. Ganon. Kasi parang I don't see anything. Basta I'm so amazed. Ay, hello. Ito po yung baby ko. Ayan. Hi, Tay. Say hi. Hi. Ayan. Yun. Tapos, ayun. As an apo sa relatives namin, as an apo, as a pamangkin, as a cousin, a tita, ayun, sobrang generous niya. Sobrang, kung lahat ng kaya niyang ibigay, binibigay niya. And kung ano man yung sobra sa kanya, sinishare niya. She doesn't forget to always do that. And for that, we're very grateful for her. As a daughter naman, yun nga, nabanggit na natin Sarah, yun talaga yung exact term na lagi niya sinasabi. Gusto niya bago siya ikasal, maging comfortable muna sila mama. And ako, as a sister, I'm very grateful for her because, I'm not able to do that. And I'm so glad that she did.